Hello crypto enthusiasts, cryptopreneurs, and warm welcome to a new video. In this video, I am going to telling you that you have seen a lot of rug pull. Now time is over, and I am going to introduce you the future Liberlaunch lab, the next meme coin launchpad powered by WLFI and Trump. Yes, Trump has already reviewed a lot of thoughts about the people they have lost money, but now it's time to think about the future, the biggest meme launchpad of 2025 and 2026, backed by WLFI and Trump. This is powered, and this is also a next-generation launchpad. I am going to deep dive with the Liberlaunch.net. The website link is going to be provided in my video. If you want to be a part of it, then you can also get all the instructions here. This video is for educational purpose. Do your research on, and then you can also get the main mission is to get meme coins market as to restore the trust and turn meme coin into valuable and lasting digital asset. Now, how this work? Actually, you can even get there. First of all, if you want to join in the final chance to buy LBLS Liberlaunch labs that you can claim, and very soon this will be listed. Now, you can also check stage 1 is live. This is the early stage. Within 3 days, they have raised the volume $500K plus dollar. And recently in the initial stage, you can get one LBLS is equal to this price, and you can also choose here 3 different cryptocurrencies, Ethereum, USD1 or BNB. For the security reliability, they are also working with high quality meme get listed, and this is also Liberlaunch, where you can also connect your wallet. First of all, what you need to connect here, there will be QR code that you have to accept, and then wallet will be connected. As my friends, you will connect your wallet, and then you can easily check that what currency you are going to use, and there you can also put the number, and then you will also grab the token here. Next, you can also check that here is the other information about the story background. Like there, you can even check out Diggins' home. Mr. Trump, known for his sharp, instinct financial market, there railed over 85,000. Now, the next day, Launch Liberty Fund and officially founded Liberlaunch Lab that made exclusively for the memes, and you can also get some information about the DN that are safe. Working with DAO voting, decentralized, there is also decentralized autonomous organization voting. With the staking option, you can also check liquidity that make project automatically lock for fixed period. And there is also unified KYC layer that ensured everything is verified, secure, and maintaining user trust. You can also check that I have shown you live how you will connect your wallet, and then you can also get some USD1 Ethereum or BSC USDT and so on. You can also swap it. There is Libernomics that has also token contract address. You can easily check here. You can copy it, and then you can also go for their smart contract here. There you can also check what the smart contract. Here I will also show here. First of all, there is also submit. We can also check that Liberlaunch is also going to show you Trump mean. Either there is also Trump mean intended. If you go for the scanned rug, you can easily check there is no rug pull outcome. And next, you can also check some other details about ready to launch. No rug anymore. I have shown you live. There is serious platform, serious funny, and you can also get the progress report. If you have any question or query related to this project, you can ask in a comment box too, and their team is also available on their official Twitter and Telegram, because $5 lakh volume have been raised within 3 days. This is a huge success for the people. So you can also join them, and you can also get your reward, as well as you can also follow them on their social media links. Pre-sale is now live. You can also follow them on their official Twitter and Telegram. Upcoming detail. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.